Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to part 2 of chapter 3. In this class we will try to finish all the reading of chapter number 3. In the previous video we learned about different uses that plants have. We learned that they provide us with fruits, vegetables, wood, etc. This is also a continuation of those uses. यहाँ पे भी हम और uses के बारे में बात करेंगे. Fibers. Some plants give us fibers that are used for making cloth, bags and ropes. कुछ plants क्या करते हैं? They provide us with fibers. So for example, cotton plant से हमारे जो clothes होते हैं वो बनते हैं. Jute plant से rope बनती है and coconut plant से you can make different bags. Medicines. Some plants give us medicines. For example, जो mint होता है पुदीना that helps in treating stomach ache. Basil can treat cough and cold. Neem is sometimes used as an antibacterial to kill germs. Neem plant is used in some toothpaste as well as soaps. Perfumes and dyes. We get perfumes from some flowers like rose and jasmine. Henna leaves are powdered and used as a dye, mostly to color hair and women's hands. So another use that plants have is कि वो perfumes में use होते हैं. So for example, strong smelling flowers like rose flower, jasmine flower and other um, plants that have a good smell, they are used in perfumes. Henna के जो leaves होते हैं henna plant के वो they are used as a dye बालों में लगाने के लिए as well as on some women's hands. So जो मेहंदी होती है that is basically coming from henna plant. Paper, rubber and gum. We make paper from bamboo plants, rubber from the juice of the rubber trees. Rubber is used in making erasers, tires, pipes, mats, etc. We also get gum from plants. So plants also make paper. So bamboo plant से हम paper बनाते हैं and then there's rubber plant. उसमें से जो जूस निकलता है रबर प्लांट में से उससे वी मेक रबर एंड दैट रबर कैन बी यूज्ड इन टायर्स जो आपके इरेजर्स होते हैं पेंसिल वाले वो एंड अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. Gum plant gives us gum, which is basically glue. Wooden products. Plants give us wood. We use wood for making houses, furnitures, pencils, boats, boxes, bats, cards, musical instruments, and many other things. Wood is also used as fuel. So wood जो है has a lot of uses. We use it to make our homes, guitars, boats, chair, some other furniture. Your beds are made of wood, tables, etc. Wood can also be used as a fuel. So कभी कभी for example in a bonfire हम आग जलाने के लिए we use wood. Environmental uses. Plants help in giving us clean air to breathe. They give us shade. They help in keeping the surroundings cool. Trees also help us get rain. So ये तो आपके जो ऊपर वाले uses थे ये थे when we take the plant and we make it into something else. But environmental uses भी होते हैं बहुत सारे plants के. So when we plant different trees and plants, so they give us clean air. They also give us shade. For example, जो बड़े बड़े आपके trees होते हैं उनके neem tree for example उनके नीचे बहुत अच्छा shade होता है. They help in keeping the surroundings cool. Because of the shade it is also cool. Trees also help us get rain. बारिश में भी they help us. Other uses. Plants are used as hedges in gardens and around our houses. Plants are also used for decoration. Many flowers are arranged into bouquets and given as gifts. So hedges क्या होते हैं? Boundaries different. So for example, look at this picture. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि garden के around they have created a boundary with different plants. So plants can also be used as a boundary या fence के लिए. Plants are also used for decoration. आप जो हैं वो different flowers को लेके ऐसा एक bouquet बना सकते हैं and people gift it to each other. Now students, this was the end of our chapter. Let us revise what we have learned so far in points to remember. We eat food stored in different parts of the plant. Different parts प्लांट के जो हमने स्टडी करे थे, लीव्स हो गए, स्टेम हो गई, फ्रूट्स हो गए, these we eat the food that is stored in these plants. Trees give us wood with which many things are made. अभी हमने पढ़ा है wood is very useful and we make a lot of furniture and pencils etc. from wood, and the wood comes from trees. Plants give us fibers such as cotton and jute. Cotton जिससे हम कपड़े बनाते हैं and jute, all this also comes from plants. Plants give us medicines. अभी हमने पढ़ा था neem, basil etc. They give us medicines which help us cure. Plants are used in making perfumes. Plants give us paper, rubber and gum. Trees give us fresh air. Trees जो होते हैं, they give us fresh air which we breathe. Now your homework for today is that you have to make title page of chapter 3 in your science copies. So open your science copies and make the title page for chapter number 3. We will cover the exercises and copywork in the next video. Thank you.